Saan? Mamaya. Kinikilig.
Okay, ready? Voice, chantal. What? Paano ang voice natin? Lagyan ng burger. Ano nga? Kita nyo na. That's also important. We have the, okay, let's take a look less at the comparison.
One of the environmental issues faced by many countries in the
I didn't video much in our first period because I don't know what you call it, but like there's like an observer thing. I don't know. But anyways, so this is our English teacher. We got picked as one of her class as to be observed. I don't know what it exactly called. So it's kind of like this. Like there will be a teacher and there will be like an observer. So the observer is going to observe the teacher who is going to teach the class, communicate with the class, and just observe and probably, I don't know, observer has like some notes and writing stuff on the table and how she observes. I don't know what exactly called, but to be completely 100% for real honest, she is one of my favorite teacher and I love her so much and we love her so much, and I'm telling you, she is one of the wonderful and God-blessed teacher that I've ever had. Too kind, too blessed, too amazing for us to have. She is our English teacher. To our English teacher, we love you so much. You are amazing at teaching, and congratulations on your observation thing. I have no idea what it's exactly called, but congratulations. And we're so thankful to have you as our teacher for this year. And we're going to miss you when we become grade 9.
Hey, wait. We're planning for Rain's birthday.
Mabelag kami etlog.
Sabi ko! Kung ganun din sinasabi niya, sabi ko, gagi parang nagaya.
Hindi ako.
Sabi ko,
ma'am, we are complete po.
Ito si birthday girl.
Uy! God!
Happy birthday!
Uy, ay talaga! Gusto ko talaga!
Lagi muna sa waiting.
Try yung design! Ay, wait na! Kiss ako!
Ay, si birthday girl. Hi!
Grabe,
Gusto yung surprise.
Yeah! Grabe yan! Paano ko makakanina? I'm going to shower her now. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Ay, mother, may okay.
Patanggal ang icing.
How's your birthday surprise?
Guys, see.
Ayaw pala dito. Okay, para ko ditong pina-fry na pancake. Bilad pa sa araw. Okay. Guys, thank you message to. Thank you sa pagbili nyo ng flour and egg. Thank you sa effort. Thank you sa effort. Thank you din kay Marche. Kasi,
Hindi ko yung kilala.
kasi nagawa siya ng cake. And thank you din sa gifts. Thank you sa effort you guys. I love you. Love you.
Love ka ba? Ay.
Okay. Sama. Okay. Thank you, Almario fam. Ayoko na mag-birthday. Okay, pero ito yung ito yung most memorable na birthday ko naman.
Yes!
Na-enjoy ko din.
Salamat, oh Lord. Bakasyon yung birthday.
Pero kita-kita ko sa video ko sino mga naglagay sa babawian ko kayo ah.
Ay,
Saan yung B2B?
yun lang. Sundan niya lang ako.
Okay. Samahan mo ko.
Oh, syempre. Nandito lang ako.
Mom?
Ma'am, gusto mo cake?
Oo, ma'am.
Andun kami.
Mom, why are you here?
Here.
Hindi ko yung anak ko.
Ma'am, gusto mo
Ayaw,
cake?
dito pala nag-aaral.
Ma'am, gusto mo cake?
So, she's going to leave.
Okay. Pag iniwan mo ako, guys, pag iniwan niya ako, unsubscribe.
Wow!
Joke lang.
18 pa nga lang.
Tama yung mukha ko. Tama yung likod.
Yes.
Nakakadiri na yung...
Bakante na yung ano. Bakante na yung CR. Baka sa...
Wait,
Ano to? Get ready with me? Pero maliligo? Get unready with me, guys. Oh, ito. Shampoo.
Okay.
Conditioner. Ito, sabon.
From?
From Ate M. Yes. Okay, ligo na ako.
Okay.
Go.
Say whatever you want.
Okay. 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 This one. Get unready with me. Birthday edition. I'll be updating you if I'm done showering. Tapos ko nag-shower. Okay. Tayo na ako, girlies. Wala akong
She's out na, guys. So, nito na yung phone ko. She's putting on
Grabe.
shoes. Okay. A little story time lang. Nandito kami sa church ko. I mean, sa likod ng church namin. Nakiligo
Nakiligo.
ang birthday girl.
Ay, kasi.
Kasi,
My nail broke. Story time, 3 beses ko binandawan buhok ko gawa ng mga eggshell.
ano,
okay.
di na siya amoy ano, or...
Ate na lang, okay lang.
Kain na kayo.
Mauwi na sila. Uwi, manulife.
Oo.
Pwede na mag-asawa ko.
Ay! Yun naman sa ate Jara. Grabe yun.
What's that? Egg. Nakakaawa ka na.
Ay, sige. Guys, may mahihiram na kayo. Wow.
Purple?
Ay, gagi, may beauty blender.
Wow.
Bigay kayo blessings.
Blessing ko?
lumaki ka na. Ay, gagi. At may lakot sa Diyos.
Yeah.
Yes.
At may dakot sa...
Where are we going? New life. Bagong buhay.
I'm eating while
Finally found a way to go on this big day. 날 떠나보는 내가 미운데 No matter how we
Get ready with me habang naglalakad. Multitasking lagi kami, guys, kasi wala kaming oras. Kaya di kami nagkakajowa. Wala kaming oras para doon, di ba? Di ba?
Yes.
Yes.
Because sa jeep, nagkakain kami.
Tapos yun, nagre-retouch habang naglalakad. To our old school. Matagal ako dito. Umalis dito, girl.
What the hell is this here?
Be, talaga ba?
Is my house. Diyan ako lumaki.
Wag na nga! Ang Tagal ko na dito, guys. Hindi na pabalik.
Ano excuse mo? Ano excuse mo?
Wait lang, kasi nagkakain ako.
Okay.
Una nagkakain ako. Pangalawa, nadapa ako. Pangatlo, nasiraan yung sapatos niya kaya hindi ako
Okay.
makaalis.
Okay.
Sapatos. Oh, first time
Bye-bye.
Ano na, sakay? Anong sakay? Sakay nga.
Anong sabi sa JC?
Wala naman daw.
Picture tayo mga neggers.
Kala ko sentro tayo.
Parang
Ay,
mga
madadaan natin sila, sir.
We're gonna go to Ate Kiara's house.
Sapatos ko. Ano ang sapatos? Ano yan? Magpapakamatay ba yan? Lola, tuwe! Uwi, Chia, uwi! Bye-bye. Ay, magkatabi!
Ay, mali.
Nasaan yan?
House.
Rocking chair.
Kanina pa ako sa tunog na to.
Wala yan sa tono.
Ano na ako nahihila.
Maalala ko ito dito.
Usap.
Ito, gusto ko. Hala! Riley. Sadaan.
Timo.
Ano daw?
Okay na ako guys.
Mamaya na.
Okay, bye.
Oo, steamer ng
Ang boy sa showman.
siomay.
Or
Masyado malaking sa akin.
Kinakain mo yun?
mamaya ko muna mag-video. Try ko nga lang.
Bakit ang
Dito.
bomba clat? Uwe. Uwe.
Yung marunong. Kinuha ko yun.
Kailan yung gano'n?
So insecure. Ay, grabe. Sana all naka-iPhone.
Paid iPhone.
Super secret.
Ano yan? 6. 44. Classic. Single. Classic single 50. 35 grams.
Walang Slurpee. I'm just here for the Slurpee pero wala sila.
Anong
Not
bibilin mo?
available. Parang gusto ko na.
That is, yeah. Instead of money.
Bakit na pag-trip ako yan? There's a crazy man outside.
I think he...
Beep!
May extra chromosome siya.
Hi guys, I just changed my clothes and I'm currently resting. It's currently 4:32 and I'm probably just gonna like rest a bit while I'm editing a story. So yeah, I'm just gonna rest a bit and I'm going to grind again later on. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for watching.